Okay, real talk. Has this ever happened to you? You're rushing to check your schedule, maybe you've got a client waiting, or you need to reschedule something urgently, and bam, you're locked out of your Acuity account. You type in your password, double-check it, maybe even triple-check it, and still nothing. Just that infuriating incorrect password or account locked message. It's like your digital life just decided to throw a surprise party, and you weren't invited. So the burning question is why? Why can't you log into your Acuity account? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at that login screen like it's a cryptic puzzle. Let's break down the mysteries and get you back into your schedule. Transition to a screen recording showing the Acuity login page. First off, let's acknowledge the obvious culprits. The most common reason, and I mean the absolute king of login issues, is a simple, good old-fashioned incorrect password. We type fast, we make typos, and sometimes our brains just decide to play tricks on us. But before you start blaming your memory, let's run through a few checks. Are you sure you're using the correct email address associated with your Acuity account? This might sound basic, but if you have multiple emails, it's an easy mistake to make. Double-check the spelling, make sure there are no typos, and confirm it's the right one. Now, let's talk about those passwords. Are you using the correct capitalization? Passwords are case-sensitive, so password is completely different from password or password. Are you remembering to include any special characters or numbers? If you've recently updated your password, it's possible your brain is still holding on to the old one. If you use a password manager, make sure it's syncing correctly and pulling the right credentials. Transition to a screen showing common password issues, like capitalization, typos, and special characters. Okay, you've checked your email, you've triple-checked your password, and you're still locked out. What's next? Well, Acuity, like most online platforms, has a forgot password feature. It's your digital lifeline when you're facing a login crisis. Click on that link, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Acuity will then send you a password reset link to that email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder, just in case. Screen shows the forgot password process. Once you receive the reset link, click on it and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure it's a strong password, something unique and difficult to guess. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please, don't use password 123. Once you've created your new password, try logging in again. Hopefully, this will solve your problem. But what if you've reset your password and you're still locked out? This is where things get a little more complex. Acuity, for security reasons, might lock your account after multiple failed login attempts. This is to prevent unauthorized access. If your account is locked, you'll usually see a message indicating this. In most cases, you'll need to wait a certain period of time, usually a few minutes to an hour, before you can try logging in again. Screen shows a message indicating account lockout. If you've waited and you're still locked out, or if you suspect your account has been compromised, it's time to contact Acuity support directly. They're the experts, and they can help you troubleshoot the issue and get your account back up and running. You can usually find their contact information on their website or in their help center. Screen shows Acuity's support page. Now let's dive into some less common, but still important, reasons why you might be having trouble logging in. Sometimes the problem isn't with your password or account, but with your browser or device. If you're using an outdated browser, it might not be compatible with Acuity's login system. Try updating your browser to the latest version, or try using a different browser altogether. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help resolve login issues. Sometimes, stored data can interfere with the login process. Screen shows how to clear browser cache and cookies. Another potential culprit is your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from logging in. Make sure you have a stable connection and try restarting your modem or router if you're experiencing connectivity issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, these services can interfere with login processes. Screen shows internet connection troubleshooting tips. Let's also talk about account status. Is your Acuity account still active? If your subscription has expired or if your account has been deactivated for any reason, you won't be able to log in. Check your account status or contact Acuity support to confirm that your account is still active. Screen shows how to check account status. And lastly, sometimes it's not you, it's them. Acuity might be experiencing technical issues or server outages. In this case, there's not much you can do except wait for the issue to be resolved. You can check Acuity's social media pages or their website for updates on any known issues. Screen shows Acuity's social media pages. So, to recap, if you can't log into your Acuity account, start by checking your email address and password. If that doesn't work, use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password. If you're still locked out, check for account lockouts, browser issues, internet connection problems, account status, and potential server outages. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Acuity support. Remember, technology can be frustrating, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can usually resolve most login issues. Don't let a locked account derail your day. Take a deep breath, follow these steps, and you'll be back in your schedule in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.